Hello students, today we are going to study 10th standard history, second chapter. The name of the chapter is Historiography, Indian Tradition. Students, in the first chapter we have studied the Western historiography, means the study of Western countries and the notable scholars of the Western countries. In this chapter we will study the Indian tradition. Let us see the chapter. Students, we learnt about the Western tradition of historiography in the last lesson. In this chapter we will study the historiography of Indian tradition. You know now what is historiography. Historiography means history. Tradition of Indian historiography. In this chapter we have to study the different types of historiography. We are going to study 3 types of historiography, which first, historiography in the ancient period. In this we have to study the history of ancient period. Second, historiography in the medieval period. In this topic we have to study the history of medieval period. And third, historiography in the modern period, means history of modern period. So we will study in the first topic historiography in the ancient period. Students, in the ancient period in India, the memories of great deeds and mythological lore, also memories of social transitions, were preserved with the help of oral recitals. You know, oral sources of history. The history of ancient period we have to study through the medium of oral sources. The inscriptions on the Harappan seals and other artifacts confirm that Indians had mastered in the art of writing. We have found some inscriptions at the site of Harappan. Their seals, Harappan seals, and some artifacts. Artifacts means ancient things. And after the study of that things, we are confirmed that the Indians had mastered in the art of writing. The earliest written documents found in the form of inscriptions, which is Emperor Ashok Maurya's time. Some inscriptions were found of the time of Ashok Maurya. See, we will see in the textbook. These are the inscriptions found in ancient period. Sohagaura copper plate. The copper plate was found at Sohagaura, district Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. It is supposed to be the form of Mauryan period. It was from Ashok Maurya's period. Students, the ancient Indian literature, including the epics, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Puranas, Jain and Buddhist texts, historical accounts by Indian authors, and also travelogues by foreign travelers, are the important sources of history. We have studied that. These are the important sources of history. Harshacharit, written by Bana Bhatt in 7th century, is King Harsha's biography. Harshacharit is a book written by Bana Bhatt in 7th century, is King Harsha's biography. Here, whatever we have studied are the history of ancient period. In second topic, we will study historiography in the medieval period. Medieval means between the ancient and the modern period. The period between ancient and modern period. That period is known as medieval period. What we have got, we have found the history of in this period we will study in this topic. Rajatarangini, the history of Kashmir by Kallana in the 12th century, is a concept of modern historiography. In this period, we found this book, the history of Kashmir, in the book Rajatarangini in the 12th century. Again, Tariq-e-Firuz Shahi. This is a book written by Ziauddin Barani, stated the purpose of historiography. Tariq-e-Firuz Shahi, a book written by Ziauddin Barani. It stated the purpose of historiography. Students, Here I could not include all the points, so we will see in the textbook also. For the historians in the Mughal courts, praising the emperors and exhibitions of loyalty became more important. Babur, the founder of Mughal Empire, wrote an autobiography. You know, Babur was the founder of Mughal Empire. He wrote the book autobiography entitled Tuzuk-e-Baburi. The name of the book is Tuzuk-e-Baburi. It contains the descriptions of battles fought by him and the minute observations of various regions and cities travelled by him, including the local economy, customs and flora. Again, some books were written in this period. Bakhars. Bakhar is an important type of historical documents of medieval time. Marathi Bakhars are of various types. Sabasad Bakhar, भाऊसाहेबांची बखर, पानिपतची बखर, होडकरांची कैफियत. These are the important Bakhars. Now we will see the third topic, historiography in the modern period. In the 20th century, the Indian archaeological exploration and research started under the British rule. When British rule was there, that time the work was going on. The work of railway line, digging railway line was going on. That time, Harappan civilization was discovered. During the period of Sir John Marshall in 20th century. This work was going on in 20th century. 3 volumes of the History of British India by James Mill were published in 1817. 3 volumes means the book, the History of British India, was published 3 times, which was written by James Mill. It was published in 1817. This was the first book of Indian history written by a British historian. The History of British India is written by James Mill and it was the first book of Indian history written by British historians. Students, after that, the History of India written by Mountstuart Elphinstone, Governor of Bombay, was published in 1841. Then Grand Dupps, he was a British officer. He wrote about Maratha history. Grand Duff, he wrote the book Maratha History. The name of the book was A History of Marathas. This book is also published in 3 volumes. Nilkanth Janardhan Kirtane and Vishwanath Kashinath Rajwade were 2 Indian historians. These were the 2 Indian historians who took upon the task of exposing the limitations of Grand Duff's writing. Whatever Grand Duff was written in his book, which book Grand Duff has written? This, the Maratha History, A History of Marathas. There were many limitations written by Grand Duff. So these were the Marathi historians Nilkanth Janardhan Kirtane and Vishwanath Kashinath Rajwade. They took upon the task of exposing the limitations of Grand Duff's writing. Students, we have studied the 3 types of historiography. Historiography in the ancient period, historiography in the medieval period, and historiography in the modern period. In next video, we will study the Indian historiography, various ideological frameworks. Different types of historiography are given here. Okay, students, thank you.